Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed our first lesson where we talked about the basics of Flutter widgets and how everything in Flutter is organized into these widgets. We talked about the text widget, which allows us to display text on the screen. So here on this page, for example, we have text at the top, startup name generator, which is kind of the title of this app, I guess. And we have the text in the middle of the page. In this case, it says strong band. So we learned how to display text, and then we also learned about the widget called center that allows us to center text on the page. So today we're gonna go one step further. We're gonna actually generate a random name for our startup. Our final app will be able to generate many names all at once, but for today we're just gonna generate one name. This is what the final result will look like at the end of our lesson today. So let me show you what the code for this looks like. See how on line 35 we used to have just some regular text here, but today we have something different. Let me show you what this is. Before I do that, let me just delete this so that I can remind you about what we did in the first lesson. So the body has a center widget. That's what we did last time, remember? So it has a center widget, and then the center widget has a child. The child of the center widget is a text widget, right? And usually we would put something like this, right, inside of the text widget. But today we're going to do something different and put something else inside of that text widget. Let me show you what we're going to put inside of that text widget today. So if we go to the top, this is what we added this time. We're importing a package called English Words. And this is new to us, right? So we've never imported a package before, but all it does really, it allows us to do these cool things. Like now what we can do is we can have this line 28 which generates a word pair. So because we added line 16, now we're able to do this word pair.random. And what this does is it generates a word pair. That's all it does, and puts it inside of this variable called word pair. Once it's inside of that variable, we can use it. We can use that by doing word pair. It has to be spelled exactly. If there are any typos, it's gonna break. And then we do as Pascal case. What that does, it just makes it make the uppercase look nice. So then we compile it, and then we get another random word. It used to be strong band, and now we have list 8, right? So anytime we refresh this page, we're going to get a new name for our startup. It's going to be a different word pair every single time. So that's how we generate random word pairs. That's how we do it, and this is the code for it. So I look forward to seeing you in the class where we can go over this code in more detail. See you soon.